Hey guys, what is happening? Dean here for Marijuana SA, and today I've got a cool new product. Over here next to me I have the Orgasoilux. Cool name. Organic soil luxury is what I imagine the name was derived from. The Omega Mix, a premium living earth blend, and I cannot tell you how excited I am to have this product on the website. Lift it up over here so you can all have a look. Yeah, that's how it's looking. Flip it around. That's how it's looking on the back. Premium packaging for a premium product. I'm just going to explain a little bit about it. So this comes from a company called Dirty Hands Inc. A local company, also from Cape Town. So what is in the bag? The Omega Mix contains compost, vermicompost, cocoa peat, sphagnum moss, and perlite. Epic stuff. Sphagnum peat moss, I should have said. So that makes up the main base. But what makes this product so exciting is the large range of different amendments that it has. Alfalfa meal, aloe meal, basalt rock dust, biochar, kanakashi, calcic lime, copper powder, diatomaceous earth, dolomite lime, fulvic acid, frass, seabird guano, gypsum, humic acid, kelp meal, malted barley, manganese oxide, montmorillonite clay, soft rock phosphate, and zeolite. I did practice that clay just beforehand, but seems the bongs failed me. And then on top of that, we've got an inoculant of the Cannabis Microbial Consortium. Really beautiful product. And what I also really like about it is there's some really cool information on the back. You know, it's got some information about the mix itself. This is a cannabis soil that has been in commercial production since 2011. Big shout out to you guys. Just a little bit about the backstory. The soil has evolved through years of rigorous testing in all growing environments, including indoor, greenhouse, and outdoor. The quality of the soil blend has been laboratory tested both locally at BEM Labs and SGS, and also internationally at Logan Labs in the United States. Using scientific data and analysis, our soil has been balanced with various organic minerals and nutrients to ensure that the macro and micronutrients and trace elements work synergistically with the soil's microbiology and substrates. Growing boutique cannabis, fast growth in indoor, greenhouse, and outdoor environments, maximize terpene and cannabinoid production. Yes, that's what I want. Heavy yields, pest resistant, microbial diversity, and the big one for me, guys, continuous use. This can be re-amended. To re-amend the soil they have a specific mix, the elemental blend, which we will be stocking on the website at a later stage. And then, yeah, you re-amend the soil. The soil can be re-amended every 2 to 3 months. For me, I'm going to be putting quite a bit of this onto my bed over here. This little bad boy. And then just a little bit of user instructions. They've got some sowing of the seeds, clones, after transplanting, indoor plants, when to water, and then also about the feeding and the different kinds of feeding that you can do. So all in all, seems legit, don't you think? But let's have a little look-see what is inside. Oh, terrible cut, guys. Smells good. Let me fold this back a little bit. Amazing soil, dark in color. You can see the perlite, you can see bits of malted barley, some of the other additives as well. Very sort of natural, earthy kind of smell to it. Looks super good quality. And you know, I'm going to be putting this to the test over the summer period. So I'll follow back a little bit later. But guys, this is a locally made soil made by some really knowledgeable individuals. Available from Marijuana SA for 200 Rand a bag. And on top of that, you know, it's just a I've really become interested in the organic and also continuous way of growing. I'm trying with this living soil over here. As you can see, various different companion kinds of planting on my right, and I have an awesome bed that I've been working on for about 1.5 years now, and this soil helps sort of fit into the ethos of being able to grow organically, you know, for people who want to. I'm not against any other way of growing, but personally I do like the organic way. And yeah, I think it's a really, really cool product to be able to enter into the organic growing lifestyle quite easily with a consistent product that I'm highly confident in. So yeah, that's about it for me. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. And if not, oh well. I'm sure these cannabis plants are going to love the soil. Thank you.